Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2014 S550 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a V8 twin turbo pushing out 449 horsepower and 516 pounds of torque. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights. 20-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A silk beige espresso brown interior. Heated rear seats. Come around back, we've got our S550 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate, so the all-season and regular floor mats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the driver's assistance package, which is going to give you an active blind spot assist, active lane keeping assist, Distronic Plus. Also included is the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you Burmeister sound system, heated and cooled seats, a burl walnut wood trim, ambient lighting, power windows, illuminated door sill, heated steering wheel, a burl walnut and leather steering wheel. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, cup holders, our turn wheel for our infotainment center, hard keys for our media display, sports and comfort mode. This S550 has 74,282 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this S550 4MATIC, check out feldmannimports.com.